Let's factor a trinomial by trial and error. Here's the trinomial. 1x squared plus 7x plus 12. All right, when you're doing it by trial and error, you want to try to guess what binomials, when multiplied, could possibly FOIL to make that original trinomial. Now we can see that we're going to definitely need an x squared term here. So let's put an x here and here so that way when they multiply as the firsts in the binomial, we'll have an x squared term there. And when it comes to the lasts, let's let them just be numbers. Numbers which could multiply to 12. And why do they have to multiply to 12? Because we're going to do the firsts here, and then later we'll multiply the lasts. But the inners and the outers, they're going to be combinations involving x. So the outer here and the inner here, none of those would be just single numbers. So we need the lasts here to be the only numbers that multiply to 12. And so what numbers could potentially work? Well, on the side, you want to come up with the factors of 12. Okay, so let's see. If we list them, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay. Now, what numbers could potentially multiply to make 12, though? Well, 1 times 12 makes 12. 2 times 6 makes 12, and 3 times 4 makes 12. So let's pair them up here. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Okay. Now, we could try x plus 1, x plus 12. That's one possibility. Maybe that's the magic combination, you know? Or maybe it's x plus 2, x plus 6. Maybe that would work. Or perhaps x plus 3, x plus 4. All I'm doing is I'm coming up with different possible binomials that I think might be the correct combination. But then, in order to complete the trial and error technique, I do have to multiply, FOIL them out to see which one may potentially work. So when you do this by FOILing, you do the firsts, outers, inners, and lasts. That would be x squared plus 12x plus x plus 12. That's not going to work. What about this one? X squared plus 6x plus 2x plus 12. Close, but not quite. 6x plus 2x makes 8x, unfortunately. What about this one? X squared plus 4x plus 3x plus 12. That's the one. Because those two middle ones, they combine into 7x. So my final result from that would be x squared plus 7x plus 12. And that is the correct combination. So now I know a correct factored form of this would have been x plus 3, x plus 4. So 1x squared plus 7x plus 12 is equivalent to x plus 3 times x plus 4. I did it by trial and error